Do you work in sales? If you said anything other than yes, you're wrong. Every single one of us is in sales. Whether you're an employee, an entrepreneur, or parent, you need to sell your employers or clients on why you're the best. Or you need to sell your kids on why their health is important. The Faktori is designed to help you increase your sales skills and companies increase their sales output. We do this in 3 ways. The People Faktori is our recruitment division, designed to help salespeople get hired and companies to build a high-performing team. We help salespeople develop self-awareness using our GEARS process to pinpoint strengths, weaknesses, and fit. And we use our comprehensive DREAMS process to allow the employer and employee to integrate more effectively as a high-performing team. The Skills Faktori is our in-depth sales training designed to sharpen your sales skills. It is created with the goal of helping to make a salesperson consistent in their ability to develop greater results. The Skills Faktori focuses on 4 key areas: understanding people, understand products, understanding performance, and understanding the STAIRS sales process, to build a clear breakdown of all the stages and opportunities within the sales cycle. This training will allow you to understand sales on a visceral level and hit your sales targets. The final division is the Process Faktori, designed for business owners to improve your sales process or the overall strategy within your business. Our team will build a roadmap to develop your people, processes, and technology. Whether to help your company reach new heights or prepare for an acquisition, the Process Faktori will help take your business to the next level. The Faktori was created to help salespeople and business owners improve the key area that determines business success: sales. If you want to skyrocket your career and take your business to heights you can't imagine, get in touch with us today.